welcome to Monkey Art! And today we're going to draw a really slow animal. Do you know what animal that is? Slow animal? Maybe a turtle? No, you're close. What other animal is really slow? Snail! Yay, it's a snail! Yay, I guessed it! Cool, high five, monkey! Cool, let's draw this little cute snail. So, friends, we're gonna need some markers. I've picked a few of the colors. You can choose some other ones, you'll see. Then we're gonna need one piece of paper, and we also need one black marker, and I'm gonna use my rocket marker. So let's get started. So we're gonna start by drawing his little head, we can call it. So we're gonna take this size of the paper. It's gonna be like big circle. So we're gonna start by drawing a curvy line going down just like that. Then we're gonna make one little eye for this fellow, so like two horns for little snail. And then we're gonna draw on the top some circles for his eyes. So we're gonna go like this. You can draw them bigger or smaller, however you like it. Okay, so we have two circles for two eyes, and then we're gonna go and add here another line. Okay, and then we're gonna draw those cute little eyes. So we're gonna need one small circle, and this one is gonna stay white. Then we're gonna draw another circle, and this one we're gonna color black. And let's do the same thing on this side. So we have one small circle, and then the bigger one, which is going to be black, just like that. And later on we're gonna color around using blue color, so he will actually have blue eyes. Okay, and now let's go down a bit and draw his mouth. It's gonna go like this. We have a curvy line, and then we have another curvy line, and we can draw a little tongue here, and maybe also add two more lines here to make him smile, because he's happy little snail. Okay, then we can add a little shape here, and this will be the bottom of his body. And we can add here a little line as well. And then we're gonna go all the way here somewhere and add a little dot, and that's gonna be the end of his body. So we're gonna go, you can draw shape like this, because snails have that kind of shape. Okay, and now we're gonna draw those that little house of his. So it's gonna go all the way around like a big circle, and I'm gonna use some dots to help me create this big circle. It's gonna be much easier if I use some dots, just like this. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and let's add one more at the bottom. And then we are going to connect these dots and make a circle. Let's see how to do that. So you can start from here and then go up, like that. And let's start from here to here. We're gonna draw another part of his little house. And then we're gonna connect these two. cool. Okay, and then we're gonna use this little shape here and go inside, and we're gonna make a little swirl all the way in. Okay, so I'm gonna do this from one line, but you can go one by one little line, because this is a little bit tricky part. So you're gonna go like this, then smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and we have our little swirl on his cute little house. Okay, and then we're gonna go, we're gonna make another line here that's gonna be like the entrance of his house, and we just need to connect this little line here, and there we go, guys. We have completed the drawing parts, and now we can go and color it. So I'm gonna use this color. It's kind of skin color, and I'm gonna color his whole body. And actually I'm gonna also use some of this color here, just like a line around his eyes, just like that, and here as well. Okay, and then we're gonna go down, and actually I want to add another little line just beneath his mouth, just like that. Okay, then we're gonna color all the way in the whole body. Just like this. And if you have the same marker, you can use this these parts with white brush to color the most of his body, and then go to the other side and take this thin parts for the details, like we have here, and also here, and all the way around. That's the easy way to color it all. Okay, and we have one little part here, and there we go. We have completed coloring his body. So now we're gonna use orange. This is a light orange, and I'm gonna color this little part of his house. So I'm gonna color this side with orange, and then we're gonna use red color to color the other side. Okay, I'm gonna go like this and color one side of the snail's house, just like this. And here as well. And you can just color it with the same color if you'd like. I want to try to color it like this, and then I'm gonna use this a little bit darker red and color the rest. All around. Okay, then we have this little part. and this one as well. Nice. So now we have cute little house for our snail, and I'm gonna actually maybe add a little more of this orange here on his body, so we have like a shadow. And also we're gonna use red for the inside of his mouth, just like this. And we're gonna use blue, light blue, to color around his eyes, just like this. So his eyes will actually be blue in the end. Just like that. Cool. Now we can also add something like a little leaf, so he'll be on a little leaf, and I'm gonna draw it like, let me see, like this, and then we're gonna go around, and we're gonna draw another little line, and there we go. We made a beautiful leaf for our little snail, and we're gonna use some green color for that. So let me pick some bright and dark green. So I'm gonna start from, let's say, the middle, and color some lines using light green, just like this. And then I'm gonna also use darker green to color other parts, just like this. Okay, and then we have some parts to color here as well. Okay. And we can leave a little maybe white space there. And there we go, guys. It's looking really cute and really nice. And I'm gonna also use a little more of this orange and make some dots. So our snail will have some cute little spots on his body, just like this. And it's done! We have finished our little cute cartoon snail, and it's looking awesome. So I'm gonna give him a little check mark, completed, and I'm gonna give him a little heart because we love our little snail. Okay guys, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next lesson. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.